very simple one tonight, just a tire change. So if somebody has a flat tire, side of the road, parking lot, whatever it may be, we'll get dispatched for a tire change, put their spare tire on. So this video, I'll show you how we do that and what all kind of equipment we use to provide the best service possible. So one thing I like to do whenever it comes to a roadside service or a basic tow is call the customer and let them know I'm on my way. So I usually call them about 5 to 10 minutes out. So let's go ahead and give this person a call.
Hello?
Hey there, this is Nick with Quality Tow. I just wanted to call and let you know I'm about 5 to 10 minutes out.
Oh, that's perfect. Thank you so much.
Easy peasy, just lets them know I'll be there relatively quickly and to get ready for me. If they're ever like inside of a house or something like that, they can start looking for me, and I don't have to spend time when I get there knocking on the door or trying to find the person. I can just get started. All right, we are here on scene. Let's go ahead and get this done. Hi, Wendy.
He looked online how to do it.
Oh yeah, awesome.
He just went in to wash his hands.
That's a huge help. Thank you.
He found we must have hit a piece of metal.
Oh man.
Because he found it and kept putting his fingers like. Pss, pss.
I know that's the last thing you want is a
Yeah, I know.
little bitty spare.
Yeah.
This is our lug nut socket set. Should be a set piece. Yeah, not too bad. Right between Columbia and Waterloo. Man, if only the tire would have gone down faster, huh?
Like 5 minutes left.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll get that in your trunk for you in a minute so you don't have to get your hands dirty again. I've got an inflator, so I'll make sure it's topped off properly for you before I get out of here. Yeah? Well, you got a full size at least.
Yeah, this one looked pretty funny with one of
Yeah.
the little donut on there.
And you know about, have you ever heard of the 50-50 rule? They say not to drive faster than 50 miles an hour or more than 50 miles.
Oh, okay.
With these full-size ones, you're probably okay to go a little bit faster, but don't quote me on it. PSI, so we'll go by the door. Should have a sticker here. 35 is what it wants. Low in the spare.
Oh, that's not bad.
And then your tire light is still going to be on because it thinks that this tire's on the car. So don't worry about the tire light. It's because the sensor's inside of the tire itself. And go ahead and put it in the trunk. Is that what you want? Where you want it?
Piece of metal right here.
Yep.
That's what it is.
Sure is. Yeah, that should be, it's a little close to the sidewall, but they should be able to fix this tire for you.
Yeah, these aren't too bad.
Right up there, okay?
Yeah, they're big now.
Oh yeah. Perfect. No problem. All right, we're all inflated to 35. It's perfect. Put your valve stem cap back on for you. Put my stuff away and then I'll get your vehicle information real quick. So, no membership card.
Yeah, they said you were like 58 minutes away.
Well, we told them 30 minutes, and we always like to say a little bit longer than we're actually going to be, because we like to under promise and over deliver, because if something happens and then we're late, that's the last thing we want. But
Yeah.
should be all good. Is there anything else I can do for you while I'm here?
No.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Have a good rest of your night.
You too. Thank you.
Take care. Look at that, Mr. Meteor. $5. All right, so that guy gave me a $5 tip. That was super nice. They were just great people, very easy to work with. A lot of people can be difficult. As far as tips go, it's pretty rare. I'd say probably 20% of people will give some kind of tip, whether it's a couple bucks or I think I've been given 100 before. That was insane. It's definitely not expected. If you get a tow, you don't need to tip. If your driver kind of goes above and beyond and they do something you like, or they're real careful with your car, you know, you got a nice car, feel free. People love tips. But most of the time, if somebody tips, it's going to be for a road service, like a tire change or a jump start or something along those lines. People who have their real nice cars moved, like, you know, maybe they're building a classic and there's no engine and it's going in to get paint, so we come pick it up and, you know, they see you use the soft straps and take care of it so you're not going to scratch anything, you know, taking real good care and handling it well. Those people tend to tip pretty good. Again, it's not expected, but that was super nice. But that was just a stupid, simple, easy tire change.